Hello. Let me go now, guys. Let me know if I am live. Hello guys, let me know in the comment section. I should be live at this moment. Yes, it seems it's working. Hello guys, hello. Right. Guys, we're live now. Yes. Yay, we're live, guys. Hello. Govind, hello. How are you doing? Finally, Srijan. Yes, it's working now. It's working. I've used my traditional streaming platform. I've been, trying to use a better one, but now it is working. It's working. You can see me. You can hear me. Right, this is the live, guys. There it is. There he is. Yes, Mark Dutch, I am here. Oh, man. I've been trying to use another streamer, better quality to get some different platforms on, and it's just been going crazy. I've been in different live streams. One of them working, one of them not working. Absolutely crazy stuff. Now everything's back to normal. Right, let's read the comments. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Ethereum, let's take a look at the S&P 500. Also very important, guys. The S&P 500 is having a decent dip at the moment. It is not looking very healthy. Okay, this is the S&P 500. As you can see, this is on the daily. Let's take a look at the 4 hourly. We did get that massive rejection here in the end at this major support level, turning into resistance. As you can see, getting a massive rejection. So not looking too good. Right, guys, let's go. Let's read the comments. Let me say hello. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. Govind, how are you doing? You able to read comments? Yes, I can read comments now, Govind. It's working, says Julio. There it is. Mark Dutch, one of my best supporters, moderator, Mark Dutch. Thank you very much for your absolute great support. Get ready. Hello. Pump BTC, says Mirza. Yes, I wish. Ratia, hi Andy. Hello. Hey Andy, we are here. Average, hi Andy. Ready for it. Great, guys. Going to moon, says Mirza. I am not sure if we are going to moon. Guys, the traditional stock market of the S&P 500 United States is not looking good, guys. We are looking for this major dip here for the last couple of days. Let's hope we are going to have like a V-shaped recovery here, because it's not looking good at all, right? We are going to take a look at BTC. What's going on here? Zooming in, guys. We got to be realistic here. I want the BTC price to moon, but this is looking very bearish. We are inside of this symmetrical triangle. How many times we are retesting the support level, guys? This is going to dip down. Okay, this is very likely going to drop from this range. Be extremely careful. Remember, we are taking a look at the volume. Who is winning? Who is pushing the price down? We are in a downtrend. Okay. We do not need to be science. This is not rocket science, right? We are getting the price pushed down with volume. The retracements are having very low volume. Check out this price action with this amount of volume. This sideways action, right? This sideways action right over here with the volume going down, guys. What is the most likely scenario here is getting the price of BTC pushed down to retest again the $40,000. We are currently at $41,650 while we are streaming here. So let's take a look at the 1 hourly. This is something I was paying attention to, this symmetrical triangle. Now check out here this symmetrical triangle. You could arguably discuss that this is something like this or like this, but how to detect where we're going to break out on a symmetrical triangle. The more times we retest a support resistance, the most likely it is to get broken. We've only retested twice here, this resistance. You could arguably discuss, we've retested it now for the 4th time on this in this symmetrical triangle on the 1 hourly. So yeah, guys, this is very, very likely going to drop from this range. It is very, very likely that we'll drop from here, okay? You know, there could be a miracle. We're just going to have a fake out. We'll not be breaking below this higher low, right? As soon as we break this higher low, it is going to be looking very, very bearish. Price action to the downside might get pretty aggressive, hitting below $40,000. So that's my take on this price action. Andy, screen is smaller. What is going on right now? Why is this screen has gone smaller? Guys, let me know in the comment section if everything's okay. Right, it better be a good stream now. Says get ready. Yeah, exactly. Get ready for a good stream. Perfect. BTC, please. Yes, everything works fine for me now. Sound great. I already liked the video. Now it's going to be awesome. Thank you very much. Yeah, this is technical issues. You know, I did try it yesterday, but it was working fine on unlisted. And today I've gone public, and there was suddenly 2 live streams, one not working. People on one live stream, people on another. Anyway, enough about that. Are we going to go to 36k now? Says Loving Edward. I don't think we're going to go now. There is a possibility that we might hit 38k. Okay, let's take a look at the 4 hourly here on BTC. And you know the deal. My ultimate low here for BTC to still become bullish, all right, is $38,000. Now this could be plus minus $501,000 because of the volatility. We might see some wicks below here, and you know, all depending on the price action in the next day or two, this is going to be looking very bullish. Now I believe so that this has been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves, and we are inside this ABC correction. We have to bottom out at some point. Now the ABC correction, a good way to measure an ABC correction is getting the Fibonacci extension tool. This shows you the extension from A, B, and then to C. And if you take this as an A, B, C correction with the Fibonacci extension, it will show you potentially what levels you can hit, which is the 100% of the Fibonacci extension for an ABC correction. And this is coming all the way down to the $38,000 approximately, as you can see. So yeah, I'm still waiting for that push down, especially if we see the S&P 500 getting absolutely crushed here. Okay, right, perfect. Andy, do you think October will be bullish? Well, this is a very good question. The infogram, like I showed you on one of we did post a tweet I think about an hour ago, and I was looking at this scenario, guys. I just saw Carl from the Moon also mentioning this, that we are potentially forming a descending triangle. And this is something I was thinking about yesterday for a potential video. As you can see on the last cycles, this is the monthly chart, and this is the 2014 market cycle, okay? The 2013-2014 market cycle, and in 2014, we entered this descending triangle, right? Creating lower highs. We also created this here in 2018, creating lower highs, as you can see. Now, this is, we entered a bear market, as you can see right over here in 2018, and in 2021, this is what we are forming on the monthly. We have technically created here another lower high on the monthly, because when's the monthly going to close? It's going to close in 2 days. Are we going to manage to get above, what is it, $50,000? $50,000. Are we going to manage to close green this month? It is very unlikely, guys. So we are printing a lower high here on the monthly. October needs to be green, and it needs to close above $47,000, which was the start, okay, of this red candle. This red candle over here started September monthly at $47,110 right over here, okay? So Ideally, we want to see a green candle breaking here, this structure, okay, this descending triangle. All right, and we want to close a nice green candle above $47,000 in October. As soon as we do this, as soon as we print that above $47,000 monthly close, so October needs to close above $47,000, it is going to be blue skies for Bitcoin. In my opinion, we will be breaking this bearish market scenario, okay, this bearish market pattern that we have created in the last two cycles. We got one over here, descending triangle, okay. This was a 1 yearly descending triangle. This could be also a yearly descending triangle. The very end of it is January, February, something very, very similar to this. So this is something that we are going to pay attention the next coming weeks. As I said on my video, we got some good levels to break, okay, and close a daily candle above or below certain support, and we will know if we are going to continue a multi-monthly bull market or multi-monthly bear market. As you can see, in 2014, we have that same scenario right over here, a huge kind of descending triangle with these lower highs in the monthly, finally breaking to the downside and finding a bottom. So the good thing about this, if we were to print this multi-monthly bear market, we are going to dip below. I'm not sure if we will hit the $20,000 range, but if we do, that is going to be one of the best buying opportunities. But I think that this won't happen, guys. You know the deal. Like I said in my video also, cycles are extending. We have the first cycle, second and third cycle. From the bear market low to the peak, they are taking longer in time. And especially, why are they taking longer? Because it is opening to more people. The adoption is growing every single day. There are millions now of people every single week making a new wallet for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So this will have some kind of impact, all right, in the price. We haven't seen that FOMO stage neither. So this is the thing. Very good, very critical weeks ahead for BTC. I see Bitcoin, in my opinion, dipping here, hitting round about the $38,000, $37,000 and potentially breaking, finding a bottom, okay? Also, something very, very interesting, what you want to know about is the more sideways action we make around this range, we might dip to hit 40,000 or even 39,000 and bottom out at this moment. This going sideways at the end of a trend is the most bullish thing or bearish thing, depending on the trend, that you could possibly come through. As you can see right over here, we did have this massive pumpy action and starting to create a lower high right over here. The price action was going sideways, you dip. Once you dip, the price gets exhausted, you create slightly lower lows, you're going sideways, then you have a pump. Now what happened here, we were getting exhausted also, a bit of sideways action right over there, kind of a round top, we have a dump. Now we need to detect where are we going to go sideways. That's why I do believe so that the price action at $38,000 will be slightly going lower. So we are going to create slightly those lower lows right now. Okay, we might be hitting 39,000 and then we'll be going sideways and we're going to have a blast off to the upside. Okay, this is what I'm expecting for BTC in the immediate short term. Currently Bitcoin is having an insane dip. Let's take a look at the charts here. 41,340 at the moment. Let's go to the 4 hourly. Let's zoom in here on the 4 hourly, and it looks like that we are going to dip below this major support. It is not holding. S&P 500 getting a massive hit at the moment. Gaffrey Andy, hello, my name is also Andy. Well, that is a great name, isn't it? Pump up Andy, says Mirza. Dero, please, says Brandon. What is Dero? I have no idea what Dero is. Dero Tether on Qcoin. Well, this is a very interesting chart. Been pumping pretty nicely. What is Dero? Let's take a look at Dero here on CoinGecko. Guys, I know I'm going to ask you to smash up the like button because we are 190 watching at this moment and I've only got 35 likes. I know I screwed up the stream at the beginning. We all have mistakes, don't we? I had some technical issues, so please forgive me. Smash up the like button or hit the dislike if you want. I don't mind, but just smash one of those buttons, okay? Thank you very much, and let's crack on with the stream. Right, what is Dero? Dero, what is Dero? I have no idea what this cryptocurrency does, but it has been pumping like crazy. It has been pumping like crazy. Let's take a look here. We are still in a clear uptrend here on Dero. Very, very strong uptrend. We're still having here on KuCoin is the only exchange that you can see it here on TradingView. We had a pretty decent, nice volume here from this massive pump, hitting all-time highs at 23, just above $23. Now currently having that major correction. I don't think this is going to hold. Okay, we do have a decent support at $16, but guess what? We've already bounced once here on this cryptocurrency. It is very, very likely we're going to break it, okay, to the downside. We've got this resistance, then we managed to break above it, turning it nicely into support. But look how many times we've retested this support. We've got 1, we've got 2, 3, now 4. So yeah, it is very likely that we might break this down. So if this does break down with volume, it might be a good shorting opportunity for Dero. Okay, look how many, look at the next pump here that we've had. We didn't manage to break all-time high, back down. What is this? It looks like a double top, doesn't it? So if we do break that major support level, Dero is going to drop from $16, and the potential target here for Dero, if we do take this as a double top range to the support level, you know, the extension could come all the way almost to $10. I would say $11 being a conservative target, because we also have this major support right over here where we've been bouncing several times, which is at $11. So that would be my next level here for Dero if we do successfully break $16 with volume. Pretty easy stuff here. We are still going to be in a massive uptrend here on the 4 hourly, creating higher lows. So yeah, we need to break below this higher low to start becoming bullish. Even though we have that correction to $11, this is still going to be in a massive uptrend. Okay, on the 4 hourly, guys, let's check out the S&P 500. I am in a short position here on the S&P 500 and on the German stock market on PrimeXBT. Everything was looking very, very bearish. Okay, I placed a short position on S&P 500 and the German stock market because I also trade the traditional stocks. This is the good thing about PrimeXBT. You can trade, the German stock market, the S&P 500. You can trade gold. You can trade oil. I don't trade gold or oil myself, but you can trade them here, and you're using Bitcoin or Ethereum or USDT or USDC as collateral. So I'm winning my trades here with BTC, and I am trading the German stock market. It is an absolutely great exchange. You get 50% added to your deposit by using my link in the description, okay? 50% added to your deposit. I've got a full tutorial in the description if you want to check it out, guys. Andy, which computer do you use for trading? I'm using a MacBook Pro. MacBook Pro with the M1 chip is absolutely fine, but I mean, you don't need even a less quality computer would do for trading. You don't need the best one. I just like Mac, so yeah, I've got a MacBook Pro. But I mean, a MacBook Air should do all right. Also, I mean, even a one that's $400 or $500, trading doesn't take, you don't need a really good RAM for trading, really. BTC, tell BTC price in October. We do not know the BTC price on October, eventually. We do not know it, but I think we are going to start pumping very, very soon. Why do I think we're going to start pumping very soon? Because we are, we have been in a downtrend. Uptrends finish, downtrends finish also. The difference that there is from, remember this fractal, guys, the fractal that we were talking about for the last few weeks. this being very, very similar to this, right? Very, very similar. And the difference about this dip over here with this bounce and this dip, the difference of this one right over here is that we only had 2 days right over there to dip all the way down to $30,000. Now, I'm being really, really bullish about this situation here because the price action of BTC is going sideways for a long time now at this moment. And I think that the bears are going to get exhausted at some point. But not just yet. I am still sticking for 38,000 BTC, guys. Fibonacci extension, ABC correction. Where does it take you? $38,000. I'm being patient. Or depending on the price action in the next coming days, I will be super bullish, guys. We might be placing some insane long positions, or depending on how the BTC price is going to drop with volume. What else? Yeah, from the pump, guys, from the low to the high, if we take the Fibonacci retracement tool from the low to the high, also $38,000 is the golden pocket. So just being a little bit patient here. All right, with the move, it is looking a little bit bearish. If we do close a nice strong 1 hourly candle with volume here from the support, what would be the price target from this, from the breakout? It would be around about that $37,500 range. So this doesn't mean it might have it won't fall like this. It might go down, might have a retracement, then go back down in the next coming hours. Let's see if we are going to close a strong hourly candle with some pretty decent volume. Okay, we need to close below. We need to close below this higher low right over there. So as soon as this candle closes below this higher low, it's going to confirm that we are going to come to 38,000 in my opinion. All right, we need a nice strong candle with some volume, guys. Volume is super important. It confirms the price action. Crypto needs a lot KF patience. I'm not going to trade in futures anymore. Lost a lot of money in futures. I mean, this is the thing, guys. This is the thing. You need to be patient. And yeah, I'm sorry to hear that. Sorry to hear that. Yeah, I mean, trading is a skill. It is a skill. Right, the S&P 500 getting a massive hit. Now, I also trade harmonic patterns. I will be getting a video of harmonic patterns, okay? What are harmonic patterns? Well, these are harmonic patterns, okay? They are extremely powerful. Let me just show you. These patterns are extremely powerful right over here. They are used a lot in Forex and different markets. Okay, you have a bat pattern, you have butterfly, you have a crab, you have Gala. These are harmonic patterns. I will get a video on how to potentially use them. I use them sometimes. I'm more of a price action and volume trader, but I did see a couple of harmonic patterns right over here, and this is why I shorted the S&P 500 and the German stock market, because you know there was here a bullish. Hang on a second, right over here. A bullish bat right over there. Okay, on the harmonic. There was a bullish bat right over here that was suggesting for a dump from these levels. And we got confirmed also another harmonic pattern that should take us here to the $4,300 range. Okay, and this is why I shorted. I saw this double top here hitting this major resistance, and I was saying, wow guys, this is an incredible harmonic pattern, and we are going to dip lower. And this is why I actually shorted the S&P 500 and the German stock market. I did see the price coming to lower levels. I will get a video because I mean, this is the thing. I have many years of experience. I've read a lot of books of different trading patterns, different strategies, and I have them all in my head. And this is something that I don't want to get on my videos yet because this is a little bit complex, learning how to use these different harmonic patterns. But it will be something that I will be getting out soon. So make sure to subscribe. I'm trying to make this channel very educational. So make sure to subscribe, guys. Let me go through the comments because yeah, I can't just talk about my own thing. I want to go through the comments, say hello, take a look at your crypto, favorite crypto. Can we see that BTC chart? Yeah, this is what we got for BTC. We got a symmetrical triangle on the 1 hourly. We got rejected massively from $45,000, guys. Major support, resistance, and guys, it is looking bearish. The moment we want to flip bullish here, I am still bearish because I have a price target. I have a price target of $38,000. As soon as we start seeing a double bottom scenario right over there, I'm going to say, guys, I am long in this. And if you are a subscriber, you're gonna see me how I am long in it, how I'm going to detect that it's bottoming out around that range. You know the deal, why I think $38,000 because of the Fibonacci extension. I've said it, guys. I'm not going to say it more times because it looks like I'm a broken record. And also we have the Fibonacci golden pocket retracement from the July low. Okay, it is round about that $38,000. The S&P 500 looking very bearish, guys. Also super bearish. So yeah, this is also the reasons, guys. This is the reasons why I don't want to be a Bitcoin bear. But we are on the 4 hourly, on the 1 hourly, we are in a downtrend. I think that we will be getting exhausted very soon. Let's just wait for a few days. The moment, what happens if now suddenly we break here, we have a massive green candle with volume breaking $45,000, closing a nice 4 hourly or even a daily candle above $45,000. I will flip bullish. I will say, guys, we are starting to break lower highs. Let's start, looking for some long entries. We are changing the trend. But till then, I'm bearish and I'm not going to short this breakout of this symmetrical triangle. I will not short it just yet. If we do manage to close a nice 1 hourly candle below this low here, around about $40,700, we might be seeing the price action of BTC going below 40K. But it is a pretty risky one because it does also look like here that we are getting exhausted. We had that massive drop. We had the second drop right over here. A lot of sideways action, guys. Be careful. There might be some fake outs here and then we're going to start continuing up. This is why I'm not shorting this. I did short this. I shorted here. I didn't short here because I was looking for a better entry. But this, I was planning to short this. If you are a subscriber, you know that I was planning to short this. A lot of people from the community, from a lot of subscribers did short this. I didn't because I had an order at 49,200. We just hit 48,800. I was 400 away from my entry points for this dip. But guess what? We did manage to get this dip over here. I was telling on my Telegram group down below. Make sure to join the Telegram alerts channel and the community channel. I did short this right over here, guys. If you are a subscriber, you know that this is totally real. We did short the $45,000 here for this position and exiting at $41,000 here, very close to the low. So that was a total success. Now, am I going to short this? No, because we are at the very end of the trend. As you can see, we are in a downtrend. We might be bottoming out very soon. We might see a lot of fake outs and having that trend reversal. You don't want to trade the end of the trend. You want to trade the start of the trend, right? And this right over here was the start of a downtrend, guys. It was we detected this pretty nicely. I started I even detected that the price was going to dip at the $53,000 because there was a very similar fractal right over here that happened back in April. I was saying, guys, we're getting ready for a dip, so I'm going to start trading long positions as soon as we break here this major resistance of this descending wedge. Even better if we do break $45,000 here with a nice green candle, volume, daily close. We're going to get into some retracements here for a potential trend reversal. But until then, I'm not trading. I'm not shorting, guys, because I have a feeling that we are getting very, very close to the end of this downtrend. You only need 2 or 3 or 4 trades a month, okay, to make really, really good gains. That is the thing about trading as well. You don't need to trade every single day. I trade almost every single day. I also day trade. But for swing trades, you only need 2 winning or 3 winning trades, and you got, you can make a few $1,000s. Right, Govin says, huge green wick, 1.5%, followed by red wick, who all got stopped hunted. Green wick to the upside on BTC. Did a lot of people try to short this already? This is the thing, guys, I am not shorting this. Unless we have a nice red candle here with some huge amount of volume, then on the retracement I might be shorting. Okay, guys, I'm not really a breakout trader kind of guy. I want to see some price action confirmation, and then I let the price come to me. Then I don't mind seeing this dip, and I'm not going to rush into the trade to miss it. I'm going to wait for the price action to come up. Low volume, we've got high volume from the dip, then low volume, then I'm saying, guys, I am shorting. You know my style of trading if you're an old subscriber, because just like I said 10 minutes ago, you know my style of trading. I did not catch this dip right over here. We detected it very, very well on one of my videos. If you check the video from the 6th of September from my channel, you're going to know I was extremely bearish. We were having that Salvador news being legal tender, Bitcoin legal tender. I was saying, guys, the Bitcoin price is going to drop. I didn't say it like that, but I'm saying, guys, let's start being cautious here, because it's very likely we might be going down. And yeah, the day after, we had that massive crash. Now, I didn't chase the price action here to the downside. I was looking to enter here. A lot of people from my community did enter there. Now, we did not catch the dip. We wait to see if the bulls are having any power here on the retracement. Did they have any power? They didn't have any power at all. So that was a great short. What happened next? We got a massive dip right over there. Also, decent volume. Volume was looking pretty poor here on the retracement. We had a massive support level turning into resistance. There is where we want to short, guys. When everybody's distracted and with the price is going up, and you're saying, how am I going to short when the price is going up? Well, yeah, it is the moment. It is the moment you want to short. I don't chase the pumps or the dumps. You're never going to see me chase the pumps and the dumps, guys. I do not trade like that. It is, for me, it's not the way for trading. I trade support, resistance, price actions, retracements with low volume. Guys, trading is pretty easy once you get the hang of it. Once you get the hang of it, it is pretty easy. Once you've taken a look at charts for 2, 3 hours, 4 hours every single day for years, then you know how the charts work. Let's go down, short gang. Yes, pump up the likes, guys. Yeah, make sure to smash up the like button. I'm getting out of breath here. I'm super thirsty. Got my cup of tea, and I have hardly any likes. So yeah, make sure to smash up the like button, guys. You'll be helping me out immensely. I'm really trying to make a really cool community. I'm super transparent with my trades, with my price action, if I'm wrong, guys, I'm gonna say I was wrong eventually. Big whales manipulation and China FUD taking market down. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Right. I think I'm going to be exiting my S&P 500 and German trade right over here. We should be dipping a little bit lower. Sorry, guys. This is my personal trading. But S&P, look at the S&P, guys. S&P, I mean, we might be seeing a huge crash. This is the moment when you see the traditional stocks such as the S&P 500 having a massive crash. This is the moment when you start printing lower high on the daily and a lower low. After this massive uptrend, higher lows. Yeah, guys, this is the moment where traders are watching the traditional stock markets and they're saying, guys, it is time to absolutely crush the market down. This is why I'm also slightly cautious with BTC. Saludos desde Denver. Andy, are breakouts without volume always fake, or do they keep going sometimes? They keep going sometimes. Yeah. It doesn't mean, sometimes we might see a breakout with volume, without volume, and you probably you're not gonna trade it. Especially you need to look at the big exchanges, Bybit, Coinbase, Binance, where there's a lot of trading volume. Okay, and yeah, but legit, all right? You're not going to go to OKX exchange, where there's maybe very, very low volume. And the volume is going to be extremely low. Just by looking at the charts, you will see. I like to use Bybit, Femex, these pretty large leverage trading exchanges where you have a lot of interest of people trading. Now, yeah, if the volume is low on a breakout, it still might continue to the downside. The thing about volume, it helps you to be pretty confident on the trade, because if the volume is low to the downside, say we break right now and we continue down with a loads amount of 1 hourly candles and very, very low volume, this only means that there's hardly any buying pressure. This means that the bulls are not stepping in. Even the bears with extremely low volume can manage to push the price down. This only means that there's no demand. The supply is just getting crushed. Okay, the selling pressure is very low, but it's higher than the buying pressure, and that's why the price continues to the downside in this case, for example. So yes, low volume breakouts can also mean that they are going to continue on that side, all depending on the supply or the demand fight. I just closed a BTC short position with 25% profits. Should I have kept it open? Well, when you ask yourself if you should have kept it open or should have used more leverage or this means that you are not ready for trading. You should have some pretty good targets. Okay, when you ask yourself so many questions when you are in a position, you shouldn't be really trading. Okay, now this is the thing. Why did you short it? Why did you short this position? I trade, like I said, I might place 1-2 trades every day. And a swing trade, I might have 1-2 swing trades every week. Like I said, for the last, I would say 10 days, for example, I've seen 2 pretty good swing trades. This one right over here and this one right over here. Now, the next trade, I'm not sure, it will be this one if we break $45,000 with very high volume. On that, any retracement, I will be getting the price up. Okay, so I will be buying here if we do have that breakout of $45,000. But if we do break this support range, potentially at $40,000, then yeah, I will be shorting maybe to $38,000. Okay. All right, so let me go here through the comments. Mark Dutch. I agree, says Matthew Anthony. Thank you, brother. You're very welcome. The BTC pattern is more clear on the 4 hourly. Is this the symmetrical triangle? Maybe on the 4 hourly, on the 1 hourly. Maybe on the 4 hourly. It is clearer. Something like this. Yeah, we might be inside of this symmetrical triangle for another 2 days, right? You can see that the 1st of October would be the end of this apex. So yeah, we could still be in here for a couple of days, but we have retested the support a lot of times here. Only twice the resistance, 4 times the support here on the 4 hourly. So it is likelier we are coming from a downtrend. Volume is higher to the downside. Bulls are not fighting. It is likelier that we are going to get pushed back down, guys. Okay. Now, let's take a look. Let's take a look. Yep, I shorted that 48k. Thanks, Andy. Yeah, exactly. We did call it, guys. I mean, I'm not going to say enter here, exit here, guys. I'm really not allowed to say that. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not going to say where you need to buy, where you need to sell. I'm just giving you, you know, take this channel as educational. And I'm just going to show you what I can see, okay, what I think is going to happen. But yeah, this was an insane short position right over here. We did see some people in the community getting some really good gains off this short. Right, Andy brother, hello, Kalana, how are you doing? Can you enable caption feature for other language? Yes. Andy, when do you think the reversal will happen? I think the reversal will happen very, very soon. Very, very soon, okay? We need to see what is going on with the traditional stocks. If we start printing here lower low, I think we will bottom out. We will make like a double bottom here on the S&P. I strongly believe that. The traditional stock market is not yet ready to dip. Inflation is continuing. Okay, a lot of people saying that we are in deflation stage, but the reason that we are people have this mixed sentiment of inflation and deflation is because we have stagflation, meaning that we are having a lot of money printed, and the economy is not growing. This is stagflation. This is when, you know, the inflation is going up and the economy is not working. You would want to see the economy working, and, you know, everything open, you know, the traveling or the supply worldwide, everything's working fine, the economy is growing, and there is a little bit of inflation. That is absolutely great. But we're having inflation and the economy is stuck, meaning that this is stagflation. So this is not good, really. This is not going to be good. So that is why we are taking a look at the traditional stocks to see what happens, because historically, when we have this sentiment and we have traditional stocks going to the downside pretty heavily, it's not good for Bitcoin, guys. It is not good for Bitcoin. It never has been, and why would it change now? Everybody that's in Bitcoin wants Bitcoin to be that safe haven. We want it to be separate, okay? That safe haven, that gold, no, and even gold goes down when stocks go down, when the traditional markets go down. When the Dow Jones has a 20% crash, 15% crash, then gold also has that crash. Bitcoin also has that crash. Now, there's no really that safe haven for an economy. The strongest thing in a crash is the dollar, and it has proved itself that everybody wants fiat. Okay, the government, well, maybe not from depends on what country eventually, but in the United States, the dollar gains strength if there is a crisis. What do you think about the possibility of Sol coming back strong if it hits $90, says Roland? Let me take a look at Solana. There's been a very big hype, okay? Very big hype on Solana, and this is the box that we had. I have this box at $125 approximately. It has been holding very, very nice. Does this mean that we are going to bottom out here? Are we going to bottom out? Maybe. It does look like that the bears are getting exhausted. It's looking pretty good volume wise. So we had volume going up while the price action was going up, and we are having volume going down on the retracement, which is very, very good news. The price action is going down and the volume is creating lower highs, as you can see. Also, this is on Binance, so I think a lot of volume on Binance for Solana, definitely, which is a good sign. You know, Solana, I do see Solana bottoming out very, very soon from this retracement. It is finding a bottom here on the 4-hourly. Take a look at the daily chart. Let's just take a look at the daily here quickly for Solana. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. As I said, Solana higher highs on volume till the peak, and lower highs here on the bears fighting, meaning that the bulls have more strength than the bears here on this price action. I'm not sure if we will go down to $90. If we do go down to $90, it will be a good buying point for Solana, in my opinion. I know Solana did have some issues with transactions a couple of weeks back. There was some issues with the Solana network. I'm not going to get into detail with that, but a lot of people bullish on Solana. They're getting really good NFT gaming projects. There's Star Atlas coming out very well. I'm not sure if it's going to be very soon, but that's an insane NFT gaming project. I think a lot of people are going to join that gaming project. They're going to be playing that game. It's not even out yet. It might take a few years to come out, because it's going to be a huge gaming NFT project. Hi, can you do a video on how you find and draw support and resistance lines, says Aku. Yeah, I will. I've got a how to make up to $100, how I make up to $100 every single day. Okay, I got the $100 just because of the video purposes, but it's down in the description. Make sure to check it out. Okay, it doesn't mean that you were going to start making $100 a day. It's just how to detect some easy patterns, okay, during the way. Make sure to check the video out. It is in the description, how to, okay, it is in the tutorial section. And I will be making, though, if your question is, I will be making some more education videos. I want to get Fibonacci retracement. I want to get harmonic patterns, so you can try and explain it as easy as possible for the community, guys. These are very, very successful patterns that if you know how to read them, you can make a lot of money. And I will get them out, guys. I'm just, with the live streams, with the daily updates with Bitcoin, I want to get education videos out. It is a little bit, it is hard work, guys. It is a lot of time, and totally free content also. Does PrimeXBT have entry based on 2 different entries, and can we hedge on PrimeXBT? No, you cannot hedge on PrimeXBT. This is something that PrimeXBT doesn't have. But I have a full tutorial, Harriet. There's a full tutorial of PrimeXBT down below, okay? I got the full tutorial to learn how to trade on this platform. You use margin trading on PrimeXBT, okay? So yeah, make sure to check it out. Margin trading on PrimeXBT. It is different to Bybit, okay? Because on Bybit you use isolated, you'd use 5x, 10x, 20x. And on PrimeXBT, your liquidation price, for example, is your equity that you have on your balance. I've got a full tutorial down below and I explain absolutely everything. If you have any questions, let me know in the tutorial section of that video. I'll be happy enough to answer you as soon as possible, okay? Remember, you get 50% added on your deposit on PrimeXBT, which is absolutely great. You know the deal. The more volume you have, the more equity you have on trading, the bigger trades you can make. So make sure to check it out, guys. Absolutely. Take advantage of that insane bonus. But first, you know, only for experienced traders. If you do have some experience trading, if you do not have experienced traders, make sure to check out the tutorial down below of PrimeXBT. Watch it 4 or 5 times so you can know how margin trading works. Make sure to check out my how-to video down also in the description so you can try and detect these patterns. Practice, guys. It is a lot of practice. Okay, guys, because a lot of people lose money by trading because they do not know what they are doing exactly. They might win the first trade or second trade and get excited. And guys, trading is a career. Trading is like a job. You need to be very patient. You need to detect those entries, those exit prices. I have a lot of people getting excited and wanted to trade straight away. Decent red candle on the 1 hourly, says Brandon. Let's take a look at BTC 1 hourly candle. Decent 1 hourly candle on the 1 hourly. Yes, not too much volume, pretty high volume. Another good strategy I have also a video strategy. I'm not sure when I got this out though. It is a pretty cool video strategy. I will get it in the tutorial section also, where there are some different ways on trading as well. Now, if you see this candle with this amount of volume, and suddenly a huge amount of volume here with the red candle on the retracement, it is very, very likely that we are going to bounce at the back of this green candle. Okay, this is also a very, very, very good trading strategy that I need to. I'll put it in the tutorial section, or I might do another video about it, because it's a very, very powerful trading strategy. For the moment, guys, we are still at this support level. S&P 500 looking extremely bearish. Let's take a look at it again. Yep, we might be getting a heavy bounce here on the S&P 500. We are hitting a major support level, which is at 4,350. So we might be bouncing at this level. I will be closing my position here very, very soon. I'm going to leave it open here during the stream. Anyway, I am planning to exit at around about $4,300 because of this harmonic pattern. I detected this harmonic pattern that should bring the price all the way down to almost 4,300. It is also, I will be making a video on harmonic patterns, how to detect them, how to read them, and yeah, guys, make sure to subscribe if you're new to the channel. A lot of information. I have a lot of information to give, guys, but I just don't. I'm lagging with time, with the live streams, also with the daily updates. But we'll get there, guys. Really cool videos coming out. You should check the how-to video down in the description. 300 people watching. Let's get that at least 200 likes. Thank you very much, Mark Dutch. Yeah, make sure to smash up the like button, guys, please, and you'll be help me out here insanely. You have been the most accurate crypto YouTuber for me in the last months. Absolutely, thank you very much. Look, that is insane, guys. This, when I get these comments, I mean, I feel so happy. I really want to help out here with the trading. I want to get in the best trading strategies and the best entry and exit points. But that's insane, guys. I have Luke in the comment section saying you have been the most accurate crypto YouTuber for me in the last months. Thank you very much. Seeing those comments makes me super, super happy. Great to hear that. I agree, says Mark Dirch. Thank you, Mark. Can you take a look at Gala? Yeah, let's take a look at Gala here straight away. Why not? I haven't taken a look at any cryptos today. Hardly any cryptos. I just want, guys, we need to concentrate on the S&P 500 for just a week or two until we get back up in an uptrend, because it will drag the BTC price down, I'm telling you. Gala, I have no idea what this crypto does. What is it? What is this? Okay, Gala, yeah, I've seen it before. Let's check out the charts. Do we have any more data here on Gala, Binance? Yeah, not too much data here. Have we got data on Poloniex? No, we have not. On Binance, Tether. No, we haven't got too much data here on this crypto, but I'll tell you what, it's not looking too bad. We had a really nice pump here. Right over there with some pretty nice volume, and now we are just entering that massive retracement. I'll tell you what, if we take the Fibonacci retracement from this low bit to the top, yeah, we're just about hitting the golden pocket ratio. Now, this is a buy zone in my opinion. In between 62% and 78% would be a buying zone here. We're starting to see some kind of volume kicking in here without the price moving. So this might be buying pressure getting ready, and you in the next few days you're going to start seeing this having some green candles to the upside. The chart is looking bullish. Okay, massive uptrend with volume, just a massive consolidation getting ready for that potential pumpiness. Okay, volume is suggesting that we'll, after this major dip, finding a floor. As soon as we start breaking higher lower highs, then yeah, we will be starting continue to the upside, potentially retesting the all-time high. But all eyes on Bitcoin, guys, because if Bitcoin drops to 37k, this is very, very likely going to have that major dip. Also, Austin, hi Andy, have you already looked at Cody yet? No, I haven't. Let's take a look straight away here. For Austin, one of my biggest supporters. Also, I remember you very, very much from the comment section. Let's take a look at Cody, US dollar. Because guys, remember, we tweeted. I see this massive cup and handle, guys. I see this as a massive cup and handle. Okay, the only thing about this cup and handle that the handle has gone down to 50% of the cup. Okay, we did post a tweet. I also made a video on this just a few days back, and we did talk about this resistance, guys. This 48 cents being a massive resistance. Okay, we had the cup right over here. We have the handle. Broke the handle, retested the resistance turning it into support, breaking the resistance of the top of the cup, retesting it as support. I mean, this has been almost a textbook technical analysis, okay? Textbook technical analysis. Broke the handle, retested it as support, back up, and retested the resistance here from the top of the cup 2 times here on the daily. When I posted this, we were already about 64 cents, and I did say, guys, be careful because we are pumping. We might have a retracement, but the 48 cents should be holding very nicely as support. Guys, the day after, or even that same day, I posted that. We had the retracement. Look where we bounced, guys. Absolutely insane at 48 cents on Cody. Had a massive, that would have been an excellent trade to re-enter. Because a cup and handle, you know, when you're coming from an uptrend, this is such a powerful pattern right over here. We should be hitting round about the 85 cents, and it's not going to be today or tomorrow. It might be in about 4 weeks or 6 weeks. We're just going to see sideways consolidation. We might see a wick below this range. It's not going to be easy ride. It won't be an easy ride. But that is the target from this cup and handle, and it's absolutely insane because I checked it out the next day. We posted this on Twitter. Okay, let me just check out here one second, guys, from Cody, and we'll do some short-term analysis straight away. Yeah, when did we post it, guys? If you don't follow us on Twitter, make sure to follow us on Twitter, because I also post. You know, look at Cody here. This is exactly when we posted it. 86 cents target here from a cup and handle. Okay, this is on our Twitter account, and then I have if you watched my video, we were expecting that potential retracement. You can check that video out. It's from the 25th of September, and I got someone said it's dumping 8% since you tweeted this. You know, it's a really bullish tweet, and then the price had that massive dump, hitting 50 cents or something like that. 10, 15, 20% dump after posting this. But eventually this is a tweet, you know, this is, you know, the projected move for the coming weeks. It might take a month or two. But if you watched my video from the 25th of September about Cody, we were looking at, you know, the resistance turning into support. You know, we could have that retracement. 48 cents should be holding very, very nicely. And check out this, guys. It's on the charts. It's on the charts. It's on the video on the 25th of September. We came all the way back down since that tweet to retest 48 and come back up. That would have been a great trade, a great long opportunity. And where are you going to have that as a swing trade? I would have exited around about this range, where as soon as I see some choppy candles, you know, you come and retest the high, because, you know, you have this pump and the volume was extremely high. So yeah, when you have a breakout from a strong resistance, such as the resistance of this cup and handle, you have that massive pump right over there with some pretty decent volume. You got volume there. We also got pretty nice volume. The volume was going down while we're having that retracement. If that volume is going down right over here on the 4 hourly to hit that 48 cents, yeah, it is very, very likely you're going to have a massive bounce from that range, especially when you have that extremely bullish cup and handle pattern, as you can see right over here. So yeah, be patient with Cody. Cody will be going to 85 cents at some point, but it might take several weeks. We might see a little bit of volatility below 48 cents as well, but it is looking very, very strong. All right, guys. I hope I read a lot of the comments. Thanks for Dero analysis. You're very welcome, Brandon. Hi, can you do a video on how to find draw and support and resistance lines? Yes, I do. Yeah, Cody is looking very bullish. Cody looking bullish. We could expect some retracement because on this pump over here, we didn't manage to break the high. Okay, we didn't manage to break this high over here. Ethereum target, please. Head and shoulder target. Okay, Ethereum. I haven't been seeing Ethereum with you guys for the last few days. But yeah, the target is just below $2,600. We do have that head and shoulder right over there. Okay, remember? Boom, boom. We talked about this also since the 13th, the 12th and 13th of September, guys. Very much detected this head and shoulder pattern. We dipped already below here. The target is from the breakout, we should be hitting $2,500 approximately. Okay, so we might see that major dip if BTC does go down to $38,000. Ethereum will be hitting below $2,500. Very, very likely. All depending on BTC, of course. Right, guys, thank you very much. Do you also scalp trade? Yeah, I also scalp trade. Yeah, I usually scalp on PrimeXBT. PrimeXBT is my favorite scalping trading platform because of the fees. If you have a position open for a few days, it is fine. But if you want a position open for about a week or 2 weeks, PrimeXBT fees are a little bit more expensive than Bybit. I use Bybit for swing trading. Basically, I haven't got any swing trading open at the moment. No swing trades just yet. I will be getting ready to place some swing trades to the upside. I am looking for the BTC price to bottom out at some point very, very soon. I am expecting that drop. I think a drop is very, very likely, especially if the S&P 500 drops. But what I am also expecting is the BTC price to find a bottom in between $37,000 and $39,000. Let's see if the price action will be interesting. Sideways action, then I'm going to say, guys, get ready because we are going to long this baby, and I will open that swing trade. All right, I'll keep it open, all depending on the massive blast off that we have. Because if we have a breakout here from this resistance with very low volume, I'm going to say, guys, it might be a fake out. Make sure to subscribe. We're gonna be following BTC every single day here on the channel. Every single day, guys. So make sure to subscribe. Thank you for your time today, says Alex. Thank you very much, guys, for your time. Very, very much. Thanks for seeing my comments, says Jacko Van Tonder. Yeah, I hope so. It is super hard to read a lot of comments. Andy, when are you going to share your live charts? Publish them. Waiting for a pretty long. Thank you. The infogram, I will be. I know I can publish my charts over here. I will be doing that at some point. Okay. What about Bitcoin price? It's pump or dump. It is dumpy. It is looking dumpy in the immediate short term. Okay, guys, make sure. Right, I'm leaving a link in the comment section right now. Check it out. There's a link in the comment section, and guess what? This is Natalie being live. Okay, Natalie is live at this moment, so make sure to check out. Want to see some more live TA, says Mark Dirch. Yes, exactly, guys. Natalie has just about 300 subscribers, if I'm not wrong. You can ask her. She does excellent TA. Ask her a lot of questions. The link is in the comment section right now, okay? Andy, can you check WRX before leaving? Yes, of course, my man, Infogram. I'll check that straight away for you. Guys, but ask Natalie a lot of questions. She'll be checking out the charts for you guys. Also, she'll be giving her opinion on your favorite cryptocurrency. Now, WRX, what's going on with WRX? WRX is not looking brilliant. It's not looking good at all, actually. It's retesting almost the lows here from the major dip. This is a classic bear market pattern, okay? Look at the hype here from April. Wow. This is what I don't like looking at these charts, guys. I don't like looking at these charts because this is a classic cryptocurrency hype and a bear market sideways where the coin looks like it is dead. WRX looks a pretty good project, actually, okay? It's an Indian project, isn't it? So bull run is kill. Pack it up, boys. Yeah, bull run is over. Apparently BTC just might break 40k in the next 5 to 10 hours. Will it break 40k in the next? Who said that? Govind, don't scare me. Apparently it'll break $40,000 in the next coming hours. Govind, thank you for your TA, Andy. I'm learning so much. Empress, I thank you very much for joining. Thank you for smashing the like, guys. Luna, please, says Anime. Yeah, but make sure to go in and see Natalie's live. Ask her a lot of questions because I'll be leaving very, very soon, okay? The link is in the comment section right now, okay? How about Cody and Phantom, please, Andy, says Bernard. Yeah, man, I'll look at that straight away. Let's take a look at Phantom because Phantom did have a pretty hypey moment for the last couple of days. I think they were getting recognized on some central bank. Please confirm, Bernard. I did read that. I'm reading so much things that I forget. But yeah, Phantom was getting recognized on a bank. A central bank from some country, I think. Let's take a look at Phantom here straight away for my man Bernard. FTM US dollar. Exchange token, don't go anywhere. Right, let's take a look at Phantom. Phantom is looking still okay at the moment. This is the 1 hourly chart. Let's go to the 4 hourly. 4 hourly chart. Right. We were in this descending wedge. We did have a breakout here with not too much volume. There's not too much buying pressure at this moment. And I connected these lower highs, okay, right over there, and these lower lows on the price action on Phantom, right? We did, and if you see, it is a kind of a descending wedge bouncing in between resistance and support. We did have a fake out here, and we had another breakout. There's not too much volume. We are not managing to get above this lower high over here, which would be super important. That would confirm this breakout to continue to the upside. We're not seeing hardly any volume on Phantom now. I'll just be waiting for a little bit more price action, all depending on BTC. I know Phantom, Solana, and some other cryptos have had their own life for the last few weeks because BTC was going sideways and they were absolutely pumping. But I would be a little bit cautious, guys. Price action is getting a little bit exhausted. We are still technically making higher lows, which is fine here on the 4 hourly. But if we break this major support, it's not going to be looking good for Phantom, which is currently the $1.15. We need to stay above $1.15. Then it'll be looking pretty bullish. Should I invest in ETC or should I buy ICP? What do you please please tell, says. Yeah, I mean, I'm not going to give you advice. ETC is the classic Ethereum. And ICP, it seems ICP will be a very good project. There was a hype at the beginning, but it's been absolutely crushed. I'm not going to tell you what you should buy. These are two cryptos that I do not invest in. I do not have capital on them. Guys, make sure to check out Natalie. Natalie is live. The link is in the comment section, okay? I'm going to be leaving very, very soon. Make sure to join the live. Did SPX just break its support? SPX? What is SPX? Is that the S&P 500? I guess it's the S&P 500. I know S&P 500 by ES or by SP 500. But yeah, guys, this is the moment I've been telling you. This is a moment where this might be looking very, very bearish. We might have a massive fall here on these cryptos, on the traditional stocks. I am in a massive short position, guys, on the S&P 500. I hope we do hit that $4,300 range, which is my target. I do harmonic pattern trading also, but this is only personal. I do not talk about this on my personal I do not talk about this on the crypto YouTube channel, but I will be showing you how to use harmonic trading, and it is a very, very powerful tool. Okay, a lot of people, if you find out there is this tool here on TradingView, and you might ask you a question, how the heck do you trade this harmonic patterning? It's a very, very powerful tool. I will be getting some videos. Yes, S&P, I mean. Yeah, S&P is just about to break this major support level, guys. If we do, it is not going to be looking very good at all. This was a great shorting opportunity right over here. And I confirmed this harmonic pattern. As soon as we made a small double top, it was very, very likely that we were going to dip to these levels. That's why I'm in this insane short position here on PrimeXBT, guys. This is the good thing. I am trading with Bitcoin here. Bitcoin is the currency. Ethereum is the currency, and USDC and USDT on PrimeXBT, and you get 50% added to your deposit here. And you can trade S&P 500, the German stock market. You got Forex. You can trade Euro, US dollar. You can trade oil, gold, silver. I love this platform for day trading, and it's margin trading. I got a full tutorial down below, guys. Make sure to check it out. It is a great platform. I absolutely love it. Yeah, go to Natalie's live stream, guys. The link is in the description. BTC holding up well, considering. Yeah, exactly. We have the S&P 500 absolutely crashing at the moment, and BTC is holding pretty good, which is great news. BTC is holding pretty good. Yeah, it's holding this support from these high lows pretty good, but yeah, guys, how long are we going to hold? I mean, let's be realistic. This is very likely going to break down. Realistic. Stop hoping, guys. I am a trader. I have my BTC portfolio also. I have my holding portfolio, which I don't pay attention. And then I trade the markets, guys. If we're going down, we are trading down. Never mind BTC going down or up. Trading, you can gain money every day, even though the market goes up or down. So I have my hodl position, which is great. I don't take any notice. That's for me. That's for 5 years, for 10 years maybe. I have my hodl position. I add to my hodl position every single month, every single week, if I do have insane gains on my trading. But yeah, guys, we are traders here. We are traders. My channel is for trading. So I'm trying to make my channel very educational. We find entries, best entries, best exit positions. Now, what I am talking about on my channel is that I'm looking for BTC to bottom out at some point. I'm not shorting the end of a trend. And I don't think, in my opinion still, that we are going to form this price action right over here and make that kind of, mountain and come back down to $30,000. I still believe that won't happen. I think we will be bottoming out at $38,000. As soon as we lose $38,000, I will be confirming that we are in a bear market that might, we might be in this bear market till 2022, so part of 2022. If we lose $38,000, okay, then we will be forming a massive, huge descending triangle, guys. I'm sorry, I have to say, guys. But anyway, we'll just wait. Bitcoin will shine again. Bitcoin will shine again. Make sure to accumulate okay, when we have cheap levels. Hi Andy, can I open a BTC US dollar short position now? You could risk it. You could risk a short if you want. I'm not shorting BTC. I am shorting the S&P 500 and the German stock market. I am shorting this market because we did make some analysis the last couple of days. We did break a major structure. So S&P. If the S&P continues falling, it is likely that we are gonna retest below $40,000. The thing about shorting here, though, we have gone down already, guys. A lot of sideways action. Also, it is very, very risky. We've dipped, retraced. We've dipped, retraced. We've dipped, retraced. How many times? I mean, I'm looking for one last dip, but I'm still not sure if that will happen. But yeah, I am looking for that next for that last dip to $38,000 potentially. But you don't it's like here, you don't want to long at the very end of a trend when you see the price action getting exhausted. You don't want to long here. You want to start shorting here. You want to long right over here at the bottom bit when everybody's scared. A lot of people are calling for 25k BTC and 20k BTC. This is when you want to start longing, okay? Now, this is what is going to happen right over here. We might be hitting 38,000. A lot of people bearish. A lot of people thinking that we're going to hit $30,000. And all depending on the price action, this is where I'm going to start placing some long orders. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. You will know everything of what I'm doing based on BTC and Ethereum. Guys, I am going to be leaving right now. Make sure to check out Natalie when I start buying the dip. If it's for a hodl position, you can start buying the dip right now. You can start buying the dip right now, guys. So all depending on the price action. Guys, make sure to check out Natalie. I'm going to be leaving super soon. All right, in just a few minutes. You have the link in the description. Ask her a lot of questions. She's going to give you her opinion on what is going to be next for BTC, especially. She'll be taking a look at your favorite cryptocurrency. Make sure to check out Natalie, okay? The link is in the comment section, okay? Govind says, Bronze Hills, Andy suggests we are at the end of a downtrend, so it's risky to short now. Govind, thank you very much. Yeah, that's what I think, guys. That is what I think. We want to try and get into the short when it starts, right? We perfectly, if you check out the videos from when we were here, around about the 17th of September, 18th, we were talking about this short position. We were talking about this short position. How long? How many shorts How many shorts is the market going to give you as an opportunity? Not many more, I think. Not many more. There will be a moment where we'll be reversing. Okay, that is my take. Now we could come all the way down here. It could happen if we lose $38,000. We'll be continuing to short. Okay, potentially, because we'll be breaking the uptrend structure here. But anyway, I'll be giving you my details of what happens, the details of what is going to happen for BTC. So make sure to subscribe, smash up the like button. I'll be informing you daily, okay? Every single day there is a video out on BTC and possibly Ethereum. I'm doing also a little bit of S&P 500, just a quick look to see what's happening, where we are. So make sure to subscribe. I try and do live streams. I'll be doing live streams tomorrow. I'll also be doing live streams on Thursday. So it's going to be a busy week on live streams. I want to connect with the community and find potential opportunities. And we might be finding a long opportunity very soon. So it will be exciting for these live streams. Make sure to subscribe. Golden Pocket S&P 500 retracement, says Gilmesh. Golden Pocket. From this drop, potentially from the top to the... Yeah, more or less. Yeah, if that's what you mean. S&P did have a retracement to the golden pocket from this dip also. Yeah, it was looking better. That was a great short opportunity. Okay, I entered late actually on this short, but phew, it is looking, and I trade it because of a harmonic pattern. Looking very, very good, guys. Very good. If you're shorting. Bonds market is flying. Well, that is not good news. Causing sell-off. Yeah, if bonds go up, yeah, stocks go down. Right, guys, make sure to check out Natalie, guys. Natalie, go and check out Natalie. She will be doing the link is in the comment section. Okay, Natalie is live, guys. I'm going to be leaving straight away. Thank you very much. I will be going live tomorrow. You'll be having my daily update tomorrow and also live stream. So I'll be doing the update tomorrow morning, and I'm also doing a live stream. So make sure to subscribe, guys. Check out the Bitcoin Census website where there's totally free information there of news. There's technical analysis. You know, we talk about Cardano news. Check it out, guys. The link is down below. Make sure to check join the Telegram group. We've got an alerts channel and a community channel. I hop in there sometimes to have a chat with the community. It is down below in the description. Now, it is my time to go. Make sure to check out Natalie. The link is in the description, okay? Sorry, not in the description, in the comment section. Check out Natalie. Natalie now is going live. Thank you very much, Joseph. You take care. Thanks for the TA. You're very welcome. We'll be getting some really cool videos out, guys. Education, learning how to use Fibonacci, harmonic patterns, you know, how to do proper trend lines. I've got someone, how can you do proper trend lines for support and resistance? Don't worry, we'll be doing a video on that too, guys. Some very basic, some for advanced, okay? I will be letting you know on the title or the description a little bit of an advanced trading harmonic patterns, guys. Yeah, this is something super powerful that I want to get out. I want to get a video on this, guys. You might think that this is rubbish, but this is super powerful. I'm in an insane short position on the S&P 500 thanks to harmonic pattern, okay, right over here. Thanks to this, I will be getting a video out to show you how you use them in the near future. I don't know when, because I've got a lot of stuff to do. Bernard, much love, guys. Thank you very much. I am leaving, guys. Make sure to check out Natalie. That's why I'm still here. In the comment section, check out Natalie. She is live. The link is in the comment section. Thanks, Joseph, for your insane support. Looks like it's going to be a long red week, says Mitesh. Very possible, very possible. Thank you, guys, for joining. Make sure to check out Natalie. She is live right now. I'll be joining for 5 minutes, giving her some support. She does excellent analysis. Ask her questions, okay? Bomber with questions. XRP, any altcoin that you like. Where do you think we're going? Are we going to dump? Are we going to pump? Support, resistance. Ask her questions, guys. She is live right now, and the link is in the comment section. No love for Bernard here, says Joseph. Yeah, much love for Bernard. Bernard, Mark, Dutch, the Infogram, my moderators, one of my best supporters. Bernard, are you in the Telegram group? Make sure to join the Telegram group. I don't see you. Yeah, stop spamming. Yeah, stop spamming the comment section. Yeah, guys. Join Natalie. She's live right now. I'm going to go to Natalie's channel for 5 minutes, ask her some questions. All right, so make sure to join Natalie's live stream, guys. Join the Telegram group, the alerts channel. We're going to try and spot what is going to happen for BTC in the next coming days. And I think that we are going to bottom out at some point. There is a high chance that the S&P will make a double bottom also, okay? There is also a high chance. Look at the S&P right over here. This is the 4 hourly chart, and this was back in May of 2000. So this year, May, the 12th of May, we created a double bottom right over here. I'm expecting something similar. Let's hope, because if we do lose this low over here, we might be entering a multi-monthly bear market for the traditional stock market, S&P 500, Dow Jones. I still need to join you on Tele, says Bernard. Join Telegram, Bernard, right away. Guys, check out Natalie. I'm going to thank you, Mark Dutch, for the support. Thank you. You're absolutely insane. Thank you very much. Is it late to enter a short position? The thing is about a short position, you don't know. I think that we might be hitting $38,000, but it doesn't mean that we have to. We already hit over 50% of the Fibonacci retracement from this pump. We are in a descending wedge, which is slightly bullish. It is more bullish than bearish. The only reason I would short here potentially to go below $40,000 is because of the S&P 500. It might drag the Bitcoin price here a little bit lower in the next coming day or two. So I am looking for long positions. I stopped with my short positions. If I see a short position, I will say it on my video tomorrow. But guys, we need to be realistic here. The trend to the downside might be finishing soon. We're looking for that reversal. People saying that we're going to go through $30,000. It is possible, guys. Only if we break $38,000 and close a daily candle below this level. I am going to be extremely bearish then, guys. But I don't think that will happen. Let's wait and see. Thanks so much. You're very welcome, guys. You are a legend, says DT. Thank you. Take care. Or yeah, guys, take care. Make sure to check out Natalie. I'm going to Natalie's stream right now. Link is in the comment section. See you later, guys.